Right here. This is a low blow. Shake hands. God bless.
Chavez and all that experience and the ledger gotten killed before he was born. Great.
There are other elements involved. Banks is hoping that Miranda doesn't bring those better, and you're probably going to see it mostly to his right side.
Past month, all the talk all week long has been
Not to just be the
Pascal's next opponent. There's a big right hand. Holy cow!
Hey, go back to the corner.
And you have the leading candidate for knockout of the year. One of the most exciting power punchers in.
By the time that left hand comes up, Miranda has brought his feet
Like a shotgun being. Everybody, I am going to make a statement tonight.